Hi guys, it's me Anne from Geeks of Green and I'm really thrilled to meet you in a new video. And this video is particularly exciting for me because after a very long time I got to go to my local nurseries and I got to buy a few plants, and I'm sharing what I bought with you in this haul. I will try to share with you as many prices that I can remember, and I hope you have fun watching this video. Before we get into this video, I would like to remind you to participate in the giveaway for the month of January, which was sponsored by Plantastic Sunny. You get to participate in this one more video and the winner will be announced next week. So let's get started with the haul. I visited the nurseries that I have toured before, so if you are familiar with this channel for some time now, you will know that my local nursery is the Majhiwada nursery and the Petals nursery. So these are the two nurseries that I visited. I didn't get time to visit more nurseries around my locality, so I stuck to these two, and this is the haul that I got from there, which I'm really happy about. So the first plant here is a common plant. It is the Tradescantia zebrina, but it is slightly different from all the zebrinas that I own, so I picked it up. As you may have noticed, there are so many different Tradescantia zebrina cultivars and hybrids coming into the market, and it's very difficult to identify which one is which because they look so similar, but there are small differences, and it's very difficult because everything is not out there on the internet also. It's not very easy to find as well. I did a little bit of research on the internet, and the closest ID that I felt this one is the Silver Plus. But I'm still not sure. There are many other Tradescantia, zebrina cultivars and hybrids. I'm not sure about this one. It has purple undersides. It's got a more silvery top side. And it's more greenish than purple on the top. Just the edges are purplish. So I think this is the Silver Plus, but I'm really happy to have it because it's different from my regular purple zebrinas, and it's a very pretty plant. So since I like the Tradescantia anyway, I got this one. I think I paid around 200 for this plant. I'm not very sure because he rounded up the figure for all the plants. So it kind of would fall in the category of 200 to 250 rupees at the most. This next plant, again, I got it for my indoors. It's an Aglaonema, pink star most likely. Again, there are too many cultivar names, too many hybrids, and so many different pink Aglaonemas that, it's difficult to identify exactly which one, but I go with the one that is showing up most on Google. So probably this is the pink star. And anyway, it's a pink Aglaonema and it's pretty. This could probably be on the more delicate side because certain hybrids are very delicate. They're fussy and sometimes they don't survive. So I'll give it my best and let's hope that this one survives. I plan to keep it indoors. I have a planter plan for it, so let's hope it works out. I'm really happy about this one too. I think this one cost me 300 rupees at the most. I'm not very sure about the prices. This next one is the Pteris serrulata, which is commonly known as the brake fern. There are many different brake ferns, and it's again very difficult to identify because they're pretty similar to each other, but I think this is the serrulata, and the price is written here, so I remember this. I got from the Petals nursery. I got it for 330 rupees, and it's a pretty looking fern, a bushy fern. It looks like a pot full of grass to some, but yes, I do appreciate such ferns. Anything different, I do appreciate. I do own another fern from the Pteris family. It is the Pteris ensiformis, the silver lace fern, which was piggybacking on another pot that I had bought. So that is still there with me, still growing, and I like that fern as well. So I really hope that this fern also survives and thrives in my house. This one I got for 330 rupees. Okay, this one is the silver lady fern. The scientific name is Blechnum gibbum or Oceaniopteris gibba. It is a mouthful, so we'll stick to calling it the silver lady fern or the dwarf tree fern. It grows to be pretty big. This one is a pretty small one. I've had it in the past once, but it had a thrip infection and the plant didn't survive. Anyway, I'm going to try with this one again, and let's hope that it grows. I got a small one because I don't have space to accommodate a very big one. I know this one will grow, but I hope not too fast. So let's see, when it grows big, we'll see what to do then. But right now, I'm quite happy with this one. It's a fern that looks pretty, but it really grows huge. So I need to plan ahead with this one. This next fern again caught my eye in the Petals nursery, and it is the Pteris fauriei. I'm not sure how we pronounce this, but it is a new fern that I've got, and it looks quite pretty, I feel. If you look at the fronds closely, it's uh, very dainty, very nice, and the form of it as well. It looks like how the maidenhair fern looks, and it's quite pretty. It's a nice fern, and I hope that it thrives. I really hope to my heart that it thrives. I do love ferns. I do like keeping new ferns and experimenting with them. And since they do well in the Mumbai weather, I do hoard on ferns. So this is a new fern that I have, and I'm really excited about it. Again, this also cost me 330 rupees. This next plant is the Strobilanthes dyeriana, which is commonly known as the Persian Shield or the Purple Shield or the Royal Purple plant. And the name suits it. It's just so royal looking with its very purple leaves and the purple undersides as well. It makes it look really royal. I love this plant. I've always liked it. The first time I saw it on Instagram, I was so thrilled to know that it existed, a purple plant, a striking purple plant. And very soon I got to own it as well. But I have always been very unlucky with this plant because it's a super thirsty plant and I forget to water my plants occasionally. So this plant didn't survive, and probably it needed more light than it got in my balcony. So this time I saw it in the nursery, and it was slightly more established than the ones that I've picked up before. So I thought I'll give it another chance and try to keep it alive, try to understand what it needs, and then probably I will put out the tips for you guys and try to share it with you. So this is a plant that I look forward to keeping, and it's a challenge to me because it has died on me in the past, but I will be more vigilant and I will try my best with this one this time. Again, I'm really sorry because I don't remember the price that I paid for this one, and I have absolutely no idea how much it cost. So I can't even give you a figure. So please excuse me for that. So I am slowly daring to keep plants that I have never kept in the past. For example, flowering plants and orchids are very new to me. And not that I've never kept them, but I've never kept them very seriously and tried to keep them alive. So this time I'm trying with an orchid, and I need the community to please help me out. Can you identify this one for me? Because I'm not sure which one it is. I think it's a Cattleya, but I'm not sure. So please, guys, help me out with the ID so that I can give it the care that it requires. Right now, it's in this mesh pot and it's being watered uh, regularly, and also it's kept near my grow light, which is giving it some sort of good light, and I hope that it survives. But uh, as you can see, this bloom was completely full when I bought it. But I had an incident just 2 days back. I had a bunch of monkeys coming into my balcony and they did some destruction, out of which this plant also was victim. They broke some flowers. Even the Persian shield, they had bent it down. So that's why you can see that it's slightly bent. It's not straight. And a lot of my plants were destroyed and eaten, bitten, pruned. So yeah, we have a monkey problem and we need to work around it. So this plant has been victim to that and it's lost its blooms. That's a very sad thing because we wait for orchid blooms, and then when it blooms, it stays for some time. And if it gets destroyed by something like this, it's really heartbreaking. So anyway, I hope that this one survives, and I do need your support and your help to identify this plant. I'm sure there are many orchid experts out there who can quickly and easily identify this one for me. Thank you so much, guys. This plant cost me 300 rupees at the Majivada Nursery, and I think it's a good buy. So I'm happy with it. So really thank you guys for your help. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do give us a thumbs up. It takes you a moment, but it really helps our channel. It encourages us. It boosts our morale. So don't forget to hit that like button. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do subscribe to our channel as well. And also check the Geeks of Green store that we have. I'll leave all the links in the description for you guys. And I hope to see you soon in another video. Till then, stay green.